Hello, everyone. I hope you had a great week last week. I will be back tomorrow. We're going to start off this week talking about finding the word or determining the meaning of the word with the text. So when we see unfamiliar words, how will we know how to find the meaning? So I'm going to watch this interactive video with you, and we'll stop and ask questions along the way.
Have you ever thought about what can be made out of snow? This text will tell us more.
Snow Rollers by Carla Summer.
Before you read, do you know how to make a big snowball? If you do, tap the picture that shows how to make a big snowball. If you don't, tap the question mark to learn more.
So let's go ahead and assume that there are some people who don't know it, and we'll press the question mark.
To make a big snowball, roll a small snowball through snow that is a little wet and sticky. The ball picks up more and more snow until it is big enough for a snowman. Are you ready to read Snow Rollers? Let's go.
Okay. Made by nature. What is a snow roller? It is made by wind. Wind lifts up a small piece of snow. It pushes the piece of snow along the ground. The piece of snow rolls. More snow sticks to the rolling snow. The roll of snow gets bigger. It is a snow roller. We see a picture or a photograph, which is a text feature, and beneath it we see the text feature known as a caption. It says, snow rollers need room to grow. Let's look at our reading check.
What is the name for snow that is pushed into a ball by the wind?
So, remember, when we have a reading excerpt, the answer is always in the reading. So it says, what is the name for the snow that is pushed into a ball by the wind? So we see it says a snow grower. No. A snow roller. That seems like the right answer because I heard that before. But we always must read the last answer to make sure it's the best answer. A snow sticker. I didn't hear anything about a snow sticker, so we're going to go with roller.
Yes, you figured it out.
The wind must be right to make a big snow roller. A weak wind cannot push a lot of snow. A very strong wind breaks the snow roller into pieces. It falls apart. The temperature must be just right, too. It cannot be too cold. Then snow gets dry. It does not stick together to make a snow roller. Snow rollers often go down hills in groups. As you can see in this picture, that's what it says. You look at the caption, it says that it goes down in groups, and in the picture, that's what you see. Let's check our reading.
Which word helps you understand the word temperature?
So now, let's go to our reading. Remember, we want to look at words around, before, and after the word to help us understand what the word means. So, we have the word temperature. The temperature must be just right, too. It cannot be too cold, then it gets dry and does not stick together to make a snow roller. So look over here. It says cold, dry, and strong. Well, we know that cold is mostly related to the temperature because it talks about it cannot be too cold right after the word temperature.
That's right.
Different shapes and sizes. Snow rollers can be different shapes. Some snow rollers look like a donut, and some look like rolls of toilet paper.
How do snow rollers look different from each other? Complete the sentence.
The sentence?
The pictures show that snow rollers are different
Shapes, donuts, or paper. Well, let's look at this. We know that it can look like a donut or look like toilet paper, but when it talks about different, it talks about shapes. Do we see that? So let's click on that.
That's it.
Snow rollers can be different sizes. A weak wind cannot push a snow roller very far. So a weak wind makes small rollers. Some are the size of baseballs. A stronger wind can push a snow roller far. So a strong wind makes bigger snow rollers. Some are as big as the tires on a car. Sorry. We see the text feature photograph. And below it, we see the text feature caption. This snow roller is medium in size. So we could see that that is a what? Medium snow roller. Let's check our reading.
Which picture shows a snow roller made by a strong wind?
So let's look back in our reading because we know the answer is in our reading. It says snow rollers can be different sizes. A weak wind cannot push the snow roller far. So a weak wind makes a small snow roller. This one asks which picture shows a snow roller by a strong wind. Some are, and we go back to our text, it says a stronger wind can push a snow roller far. So a strong wind makes a bigger snow roller, right? Some are as big as tires. So let's look at this. This looks like a small, medium, and this looks like a big one.
Correct.
Holes and no holes. Some snow rollers have a hole in the middle. Why? The wind blows snow out of the roller. The wind makes the snow roller hollow. Other snow rollers do not have a hole because the wind did not blow through them. These snow rollers are solid in the middle. Below, we see two text features known as photographs. Below that, we see the two text features called captions. The caption of the first photograph reads, solid snow roller, and the second caption reads, hollow snow roller. Let's check our reading.
Look at what the word solid means. What does the word hollow mean? Add it to the chart.
So when we looked at the picture and it showed a hollow, it showed what? It was missing a middle. So let's see which definition below matches that description. Empty in the middle That sounds like the one we want. But let's read the others. We must make sure that we don't only pick a good answer, but the best answer. The next one says sticky in the middle. Well, we didn't read anything about hollow and solid and sticky in the same page. So let's move on. Strong in the middle. So we know the one that says empty in the middle is the best answer.
Yes, good thinking.
Oh, a rare sight. People cannot make snow rollers. Only nature can make them. And the wind and the temperature must be just right. Snow rollers do not happen often. They are a rare and wonderful sight. Below is the text feature photographed, and below the photograph is the text feature of the caption. The caption reads, "Maybe you will see a snow roller one day." Let's check our reading.
What important facts did you learn about snow rollers? Complete the sentences. To make a snow roller, the temperature must be just right. Snow rollers are because they do not happen often.
Okay, so let's go to our pull down menu. To make a snow roller, the blank. So what two things that they talk about? They talked about the wind, right? And the temperature. Snow rollers are, it's a word that we've just learned, rare, because they do not happen often.
That's it.
Now you know some very cool things that are made out of snow.
It's time for your next reading adventure.
Okay, guys, so we're going to stop right here and go to the next slide in our Nearpod.